Hello and welcome to Data Layer Doctor. If you've just logged in, your overview screen will look like this. So to get started, we're going to first create a data layer template that you can validate your website against. So to do that, click the New Data Layer template button, and we're going to give this project a name of TripMe. This is a website that we're going to use as a demo. So we're going to choose a minimal, or actually, in fact, we're going to choose an enhanced e-commerce template. So this, if you're using Google Analytics, this will pull in all the variables that you need for enhanced e-commerce and then let you validate your data layer against them. So we're going to create that. And you'll see that what this has done is this has taken me into the template editor. So in the template editor, you can see all the different types of pages that we have on our site. For example, we have a product page, we have a search page and a confirmation page. And then we have a list of variables which are needed by Enhanced Ecommerce. So you have a product, and a product has a coupon, it has a quantity, a variant, a category, brand, price, ID, and so on. Now you don't need to worry about these. These have already been set up for you in the template. You can customize these later, but for now we're going to leave them as they are. So once you've done that, head back to the overview and you'll see your project has been created here. Now we want to check that the developers have implemented Enhanced Ecommerce correctly on our website. This is a product page, so we'd expect the specifications of the data layer to follow the specifications for a product page, because we want to track when a product is viewed. So to do that, we're going to run an audit. So if you hit New Audit, you'll see we've got all the templates here, but we've also got our custom one which we've just created. So we're going to choose that. And we've only got one version of the template, so it's just version 1. Now here's where you get to enter all the URLs of your different pages. For the time being, I'm just going to enter the product page URL because this is the only one I am interested in testing. You can enter up to 3 URLs per type of page. And the data layer variable name is set by the template as data layer. If you've got a custom one, you can change it here. So once that's done, hit Run Audit, and your audit will begin running. Now what this is doing is in the background, it's loading up this page, and it's pulling the data layer content, and then it's validating that content against what the specifications are. And then it'll come back and tell us if we've got any errors that need fixing. So this is the report. We can see we tested this URL. And first of all, here's the data that was found in the data layer. So this particular product ID, it was found a value of 357, and the price was this. Now this is all correct because the template knows what type of variable is expected and it knows what type of value is expected, so they all passed. But down here, there are some problems. Notice that the product's variant, which is required in this case, is missing, and quantity is missing, coupon is missing, and so on. So, and if you need to see what actual data, what the data looks like on the page, you can look at it here. So this audit is automatically saved in your audit section, which you can view or delete. But the way most people use this is once they've run an audit, they then send this permalink to their developers, and the developers can load up this report and see what needs to be fixed. They don't need to be logged in to see this. Anyone can see this as long as they have the secret URL. So I hope that's given you a brief introduction as to what Data Layer Doctor will do. In another video, I'll show you how to start customizing your data layer for your own purposes.